The grass ain't always greener on the other side of the fence. Oh, why did I have to have a cold so much? You're a cub chew. It's who you are. Oh, right. Sun and Moon, Game Freak, you will pay. Taking in spring, taking in spring. Morning, Pete. Oh, good morning, Raphael. What's new? Well, not much. Did you hear Tyler's a member of the Autism Society of Iowa board? Get out. No, it's true. I can't believe it. He's gonna be seeing a lot of Iowa now that he's on the board. Well, at least as much as he can. You know how it is with work. You gotta know when you're gonna put in the time off and all that jazz. Jazz? I mean jazz. Jazz. Yeah, I see your point. But something was bugging me. What? Have you noticed how Sun and Moon barely had any new ice Pokemon? If you mean other than the Alolan forms, yes. But they did the same thing in other generations, like Misdreavus and Kingdra were the only ghost and dragon types, respectively. And the Hoenn region only had 4 electric types. Yeah, good point. Oh. Silly couch. Yes, I know what I must do. I will go to Game Freak, have the next region be based off of Finland, and there will be ice types all around. Icebird? What are you doing? Oh, the pigs are here! The pigs are here! They're gonna try and steal the eggs! Take cover! He'll never know. Look at all these boxes, guys. Don't tell me Tyler's getting ready to move. Well, not yet. I think he's just getting prepared. Right. He still has a lot to work on. With him being autistic and all that. Hey, don't be offensive. I'm sorry. I meant no disrespect. Guys, you might want to come upstairs. Okay, Capchu. Let's see what we can do about that mucus of yours. If we took care of that, I would lose my powers. You're right. Superman! Superman! What? What, Panther? Cubchew set us up here. What is it? It's about the Icebird. I think he's upset about the lack of new ice types. Huh? What do you mean he's upset? Okay, I think I get the picture. Where is he now? Well, he's... my master plan is just about to get underway. A very nice day out, compared to it being spring. Okay, guys, I see him. Over by the bench. Okay, Superman, here's the plan. All right. you're going to move Icebird over to the other side of the house. Okay. And then Jinx and Cubchoo are going to be right there waiting for him. And Sceptile is going to use Fury Cutter on him. And then you're going to smack him in the head. Alright. I haven't done this in a while, but let's go for it. So why did you ever come over to this side of the house, guys? Well, you'll see. Hello, Icebird. Hi, Icebird. Oh, hello, Jinx. Hello, Cubchoo. Sceptile? What was that for? You'll see. Oh, whoa! Oh, what happened? Why am I outside? Well, Icebird, have you noticed that the lack of ice types has gotten you going crazy on us? It did? Oh dear. Yeah, don't worry about it. There'll probably be more ice types in the upcoming generations. It's just hard to get a type combination for them. But we were lucky to have an unused ice and fighting type combo for now. Alright, Pink Panther, I don't really know why I acted that way anyways. Good. Nice day. Oh yeah. Hi, BBS Sky. Hi, Ernie. Well, another day, another somebody going crazy. Who was it this time? Icebird. How'd you know? I heard the whole thing. Do you think Pokemon will come out with some new ice types for the next generation? I hope so. Tune in to another episode of House of Random People when you'll hear Pete the Peacock say... Now if only they'd come up with the Peacock Pokemon. Don't start. Sorry, Ernie.